We are looking at how to pronounce this phrase, as well as how to say more interesting words and related words in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? Turtle beach. Turtle beach. Turtle beach. Pretty straightforward once you know. Turtle beach. Turtle beach. In British English it would be more as turtle beach. Turtle beach in British English versus Turtle Beach in American English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.